Alright, we've got a 2018 Nissan Altima here. Today we're going to be replacing the door lock actuator over here on the passenger side. Now what you're going to notice is you're not going to be able to unlock or lock your car door. And here's what this looks like. And so if I hit my button, the other doors are locking, but this one's doing nothing. So then you have to lock it manually and unlock it manually, so we're going to take care of this today. All right, I'm going to start right here. This is a 10mm, or you can use a Phillips. We're going to start working on this handle right here. Just going to start. Get up here at the top, maybe. Okay, now down here at this end it has a hook, so it goes back in like that. And in other words, don't go to yanking it out down here first. All right, let's pop our switch up here. Okay, and that's going to reveal this 10mm right here, or Phillips. Now our other one is right back over here, 10mm. All right, I usually just start grabbing it down here somewhere. We're just going to need to pop it all around the perimeter. Okay, now we need to get these. Just want to pop this up, and this, swing it, and lift that up. Bottom one, we're going to pop that. And we're just going to pull this up, just like so. Next thing, we're going to get on these T30s. Okay, before we can get this out, we have to get this 10mm that's holding the slide. Now this is just going to fall down. So there's a certain way it goes back in there, but it's just going to fall out basically. Once you take that loose, this has to go up and hook, and these just kind of guide it. All right, with that off, we can pull this out here. And we do got a connector here. So we're just rotating it like so. Now we're going to have to push down firmly till we hear this click, and then we'll give that a push off. Okay, the next piece we want to work out is this right here, and you got to be kind of delicate with this. We don't want to break it. And it just hooks here, but this part we got to pop this out from in here a little bit and pull it back. So if that makes any sense. And then we can simply rotate this and pop that off there. So now we got this whole unit. Now if you're needing to transfer these wires over, you simply pop this up. So you see these clips, just pull that out a little bit. And then that will lift up. You can go ahead and pop this out. It just clips in there like that. Same with this one, just pops up. Now this has a different hook. Like that. We're going to take this right back in there, and then this wire, slip that back in there. Now we just need to get this pop back up in place like so. Alright, let's get our wire connector on. Now we're just going to rotate this up. It's going to go this hole up, and we're going to push it right back over here. So your loop should be looking something like that when you push it in there. Alright, we're going to take some medium Loctite, put back on here, and we'll just fill in with our hand and kind of line this up. Get them started loosely. Just take your time, make sure you got them started nice and straight. Alright, I'm going to try to take you in here and show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so you see that right there, we have to get this, if I can do this here one-handed, you got to get that hooked right in there. Okay, and then once we make sure that we've got that hooked right, got some medium Loctite, put this 10mm back in. Go ahead and snug this down. Now after you get that secured, go up in there and make absolutely sure that that is where it's supposed to be and that shouldn't be wiggling around. Now I'm just going to snug these T30s up. If you're going to torque them, I would say no more than probably about 10 foot-pounds, 8 or 10. All right, let's get the door panel on. Alright, if your clips look good, go ahead and set this back up here. Now we're going to start it up at the top, the window. Hook it there first. Now usually once that looks good, it pretty well just goes right in place. Alright, let's go ahead and get our screws back in. Just use a small micro ratchet, don't over tighten, you're just going to strip it. And we'll get this one over here. Now make sure you had this poked through if I didn't show that. Get our 10 up here, it's the short one. Hook that back in first. So I'm going to start back here. All right, we'll try it with the key fob here. Got to hit it twice to unlock it. All right. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.